Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use Google Chat on phone. So to use Google Chat, you need to open your Gmail on your phone. And then here, if you can't find the Google Chat tabs in your Gmail, you need to activate first. So what you need to do next is click on the three lines icon and then scroll down until you find settings. Click on that, and here click on your email account and then scroll down until you find the general. So under the general section there is a chat option, so click on a checkbox here to show the chat and spaces tabs. Click on that, and after that it will be restoring. And here now the Google Chat tabs will be appear in your Gmail. So to use that, you can just click on the tabs, and here you can just click on new chat to start a new Google Chat with other accounts. And you can just click on the person emails, for example here, oops, like this, and then you can just type in your message in here and send it to the account. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye.